Welcome to a villa at Taj Rishikesh, the capital of the world. It certainly is when it comes to yoga. I must do a bit of research on yoga. I'm in a villa at this 72-room resort. The villas are right down by the Ganges. Spectacular views, and this particular villa has a lovely garden outside. The room is very practical. They are bringing me a yoga mat so that I can lie down and not hurt my back on the wood floor. It opened properly over COVID, therefore it's newly appointed. I've got USBs. I've got to be very careful apparently, because monkeys know their way around so much, so well, that if they can get into the room, they know how to get to the mini bar and to open it. Clever little monkeys. This is a room that's well thought out for women, lots of female things, and marvelous to have nail clippers. That is a big plus. And it's also nice to feel that the late Mr. Rajan Tata is almost personally welcoming me, because on top of the Taj magazine, there's a personalized note on a leaf welcoming me.